Hey, what's up, guys? Hi, cuties. It's Monday today, and I am gonna be filming a couple of things. First is the reel, then I'm gonna be editing my 7 days of festive videos that I'm doing. So today I've just posted first reel, and if you've not checked it out, check it because you guys love the video so much. And I'm gonna get ready right now. I'm getting super late. It's already, what is the time? It's already 1:44. I am getting super late and I have to start filming the reel. I am going to show you what I'm shooting and also how I prepare myself for the shoots like these. These are the outfits that I finalized. These are the shoes that I am going to be wearing with my outfits. Won't be doing like a whole makeup thing, but then I'm gonna get ready and show you like just few steps that I've been doing, a little changes. And if you've watched my recent get ready with me for a rainy day video, the previous one, you guys know what are the updates like. So it's basically the same thing. तो मैं वही करने वाली हूँ. अभी मुझे फटाफट ready होना है. So I'm gonna keep the camera here and you gonna see me get ready at my new puffy. It's so nice. We are done filming the reel. I think it turned out pretty great, I guess. I think मुझे इसे बंद करना चाहिए. What? We are done. I'm so happy with the reel and the outfits. Everything turned out so great. और अभी मैं चाय पीने वाली हूँ and then I'll start editing everything. I have pictures, I have YouTube videos to edit, and also I'll be editing this vlog as well side by side so that I upload it on time. This is my outfit and I am wearing the H&M sandals. I love this. Also, I was wearing a jacket with this. I'll just show you. Literally need to buy I think the vlog stand basically because right now I am holding it like this and shooting, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब लग रहा है and it's very uncomfortable and I cannot give you like a nice angle, you know. So I have to buy another stand, a small vlogging stand, so I can take it along with me wherever and I can at least place it somewhere. So basically I'm done. I have to clean up this mess and I also wanted to show you all. First मुझे इसे light बंद करनी चाहिए. Now it's better, like very better. Lighting is good. I bought some good healthy snacks from Amazon and I was like, okay, I have to show you all these things because I also got some vegan dark chocolate cookies and there's some flax seeds for my oats since I am now seriously starting to work out, which is very important for me. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you all that. Okay, so these are the healthy snacks that I got. This is the pink rock salt, the mixed grain, which is roasted, so it's amazing. I can have it anytime whenever I'm feeling super hungry. Then these are flax seeds for my oats. I also have chia seeds, which I cannot find it right now, and these are just healthy snacks that I can make, and then on top of that I can add chili flakes, then parsley, oregano, especially for my avocado, then daily greens, which I have it always in the evening after I have my snacks, which is super great. And this matcha I've tried 2 or 3 times, but I seriously want to check it out, like what I can do with this. This is the olive oil, and these are again some spices, and this is my favorite actually. I got this from Amazon and I am in love with this. This is the dark chocolate cookies. It's like amazing. It's super healthy, like you can see the ingredients, like it has great amount of fiber, protein, fat, and it's low in sugar. So if you're looking for this, I'll add the link in the description box. You can check it out. So I also paired this with a jacket. I got this jacket from Pull and Bear, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. Outfit. Oh yeah, मैंने इसे स्टैंड बना दिया बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई हायर कैमरा रखने के लिए नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. सो आई हैड टू मेक दिस अ स्टैंड एंड या दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. Okay, hi guys, it's Tuesday today. I'm just getting ready for the day because I have to shoot 3 videos for my 7 days of ethnic wear, and today is the last 3 videos that I'm shooting, and I'm so happy and so proud of myself that I'm so consistent with this. Also, I just wanted to share about this mascara. Like, these are my real lashes. I mean, if you can see, like, these are my real lashes. And I am in love with this mascara. The benefit, they are real magnet mascara. I am in love. I was like, people were raving about this so much, and I thought I should give this a try. And I'm so happy about the purchase. This is gonna be my everyday mascara. Not everyday, but yeah, this one and the roller lash mascara. I did like a smoky eyes, which I am so happy. By the way, look, it's looking really nice. And happy Teej, guys. So मैं अभी घर पे जाने वाली हूँ मॉम के यहाँ पे. She made some really delicious food, छोला भटूरा and रसमलाई. Oh my god, मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. बहुत ही yummy. So सागर और मैं जाने वाले हैं घर पे just to chill with my parents and have some chill time with my siblings. I am also gonna do my sister's makeup, तो वो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ उसके लिए. Okay, bye. Done with the shoot. Yay! I am so happy that I'm done with 3 videos right now. Super happy. Now I have to clean this mess. I have to edit 2 YouTube videos, which is this one, and there's gonna be, I guess there's gonna be 2 videos this week. I am so happy. Let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna start cleaning this mess and also order some food or just go out and get some food because I'm super hungry. और मैंने आज चाय भी नहीं पी है दोपहर की, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा भूखी हूँ अभी फ़िलहाल. I have to clean everything, remove the stand, clean the mess, and yeah, so let's do it. Hi, it's another day and I just got out of shower and it was the amazing shower, I think, of 2021. और अभी मुझे Dyson का पैकेज आया है, so I thought I'll just unbox this. इससे ब्लो ड्राई करूँ और फिर उसके बाद I quickly have to go out, and also मैं आज DIY भी करने वाली हूँ, तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसके लिए. और हाँ, so today is the DIY day. Yes. Hey guys, so now this part of the vlog is sponsored by Skillshare. So thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I've enjoyed learning a lot from Skillshare and I'm so eager to share my experience with you all. So before that, if you don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online learning community for creators with thousands of inspiring classes. And you guys know that it's my passion to do creative things, and I do a lot of DIYs. So when I came across a creative blog, I was so inspired. And for those of you who don't know, I've been to elementary school before. I learned a lot of fine art. So when I signed up for the fine art acrylic painting classes by Laurie and Gonzalez, I really liked how easy it was, explained in a layman's language, and it was divided into 6 categories. So after learning so many tricks, I thought of doing a DIY. Also, you can check out the options listed in the description box. And guys, the monthly subscription is less than a Starbucks coffee, less than 2400 for a year, and is less than 200 per month. Also, you can use my custom link, which is listed in the description box, to get 1 month of free trial. So do get your hands on the unlimited access to all the classes on Skillshare. So let's get started with the DIY. First, we are going to play some music. Okay, so you'll be needing acrylic colors, some paint brushes, and of course a denim. And now let's get started. Also, I'm gonna be posting the reel as well, so it's gonna be more informative there. So if you're interested, you can check it out too. How it turned out. I'm so happy actually. It's been fun. I really enjoyed doing it. It was quite therapeutic. It's done. Thank you. Yep. You too. Bye. Hey guys, hi. It's Thursday today and I just went out and got my nails done and this is what I got. What do you think? अब तक मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया है. आज सुबह I woke up very early and not that early actually. 8 a.m. is not that early but still it's early for me. और फटाफट मैंने वीडियो एडिट किया. आई पोस्टेड माई 4th डे ऑफ गेट फेस्टिव विद कोजी. सो यार दैट्स गोइंग प्रीटी वेल राइट नाउ. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ कि मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंट हूँ इस चीज़ में. ऑल्सो नाउ आई हैव टू क्लीन माई ब्रशेज़. I have to start thinking what outfits I'm gonna wear in Udaipur. Tomorrow I'm going to my mom's house. So happy. Tomorrow I'm gonna pack. What generally I do is कि मैं जब भी किधर भी बाहर जाती हूँ तो मैं at least कुछ आउटफिट्स मुझे डाउट रहता है तो मैं पहन के देख लेती हूँ. वरना यू नो एट द मोमेंट व्हेन आई एम गोइंग आउट और लाइक आई हैव टू वेयर द आउटफिट एंड टेक पिक्चर्स तो अजीब ना लगे.
तुम क्या खाएगी? पाव भाजी नहीं खाएगी?
अच्छा,
हम लोग अच्छी अच्छी चीजें बनाते हैं पर पूजा हमारा प्रोग्राम बहुत सुपर हिट गया. अरे खाली मैं टपकी आई बस.
हाँ, ये सब बातें व्लॉग में आने वाला है. ठीक है. Firstly, please don't look at the mess because day after tomorrow I am leaving for Rajasthan. This is my outfit for the day. This is from Urbanic. This denims are from Zara. Shoes I've not yet decided, so haven't really planned anything. But yeah, I might be glowing a lot right now. But like I tried the highlighter today, the iconic highlighter right now, and oh my god, it's like crazy amazing. I'll just show you all the highlighter. So this is the one. This is the highlighter. I mean, like, this is crazy. And I did my makeup a little bit different. I don't know why. I never like do the makeup, everyday makeup, the same way that I do it. So I think this will be the last day of my vlog because tomorrow my best friend's visiting and I just want to spend some time with my friends and just chill and have some relaxed time, reset myself and just like have some deep talks with them. And also I'm gonna be packing today, तो वो बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाला because I've already finalized my outfits, so I'm really happy for that. And I'm also gonna show you a couple of outfits that I've finalized. But the rest of the outfits you'll see in my Rajasthan vlog. I am vlogging obviously, and I'm super proud of myself that I am trying to be the consistent. It's all because you guys, you all push me so much. You all love my vlogs, you love my content, and I'm so happy for that I could give you the best of it. So if you have any suggestions, so let me know. I would love to do that for you all. Let me know like what kind of outfit videos do you want to see. I'll do that for you as well. And yeah. Okay, I know it's like, you know, different background. I'm at my mom's house. I got my stuff here. So like, I was thinking to wear this outfit. I feel like it's pretty cute. I like the jumpsuit. So I think this would be like one of the outfits that I would wear. It's like pretty cute.